Ready to hit the road?
Mila, you said it's north of here?
How far?
Less than half a day's flight time.
Oh, I hope we can find a place.
The map showed a village in that direction, so we...
Either way, we must press...
I know.
That was
So seriously,
What?
I've never heard of the military powers.
You're
Why are you so concerned about that?
No. Maybe you could use your...
Sorry to disappoint you. You just have to...
Fair enough. No brakes?
Far too easy.
Focus! Tiger Blade! Demon Fist! The guard's down. Who's next?
Nice job, Alvin.
The guard's down. And that's a wrap. Is Milo really that? She does act a bit...
I think it's true. When I first met her.
What?
No, fire spirit, Efreet, water. It was the first time I'd ever seen.
That's a mighty exclusive.
Yeah.
No brakes?
Ready?
Got it. Demonic chaos! You owe me.
Provide cover. Flame, come forward. Fireball!
Dude! The name's Alvin. And don't you forget it.
Here we go.
Burn!
Take this!
Provide cover.
Not yet!
Through.
Here we go! Focus! Oh, we're done already?
Isn't that good?
I wasn't done playing around.
You're such a bully.
Oops.
You sure do.
Don't you? It's one of Fismage's finest. Custom made for yours truly.
I don't know much about brands, but it does look good on you.
You gotta be careful about what you wear, kid. It's how the world judges a man.
I'd rather think what's inside.
Yeah, and
You don't believe some people. So you blame the victim?
If that's really what you believe.
man. Not bad.
All right.
Nice one.
Hit.
No brakes?
Burn. Hit. Demon Fist. Focus. Yeah. Yeah. Focus. Burn. Fall. I can still do better.
There! Now! Finish them off! Not bad. Here we go.
Burn! Wind blade! Focus! Demon burn!
The guard's down.
All right!
Nice one.
Focus!
The guard's down.
Nah. Far too easy. Windblade. Farewell.
Focus.
Take this!
Focus.
Provide cover. Flame forward. Fireball. Provide cover.
Take this! Man, are we good or what? No brakes? Here we go.
Burn.
Take this!
Burn.
Hit.
Farewell.
Healer.
Burn.
No brakes? Here we go. Here we go. The guard's down.
Windblade.
Sorry about that.
Walking sure is grueling.
That's unexpected coming from you.
I'm just used to having Sylph fly me everywhere. The only time I ever really walked was when I used Undine to travel across water.
I see.
Maybe this is your punishment for treating the 4 great spirits like your personal servants?
Servants? They may help out now and then, but they're the ones who pester me. They're like a bunch of bickering in-laws that never go home.
Did you just call the 4?
Bickering in-laws? No brakes? Take this! Not yet! Take this!
All right.
Nice one.
This isn't good.
Don't get cocky now. Shoot! Not bad. No brakes?
Hit! Demon Fist! That's 1!
Got it. Demonic chaos! Here we go. No brakes?
My sword rings true. So this is experience.
All right. Not bad. Here we go.
Focus! All right.
Nice one. Here we go.
Hit! Demon Fist! This isn't good.
Don't get cocky now. Man, are we good or what?
That wasn't too bad. Demon Fist! Demon Fist! Focus! Hit!
No brakes? And that's a wrap.
Compared to Fenmont's night climb, the sky...
That's true. The spirit...
What are you talking about?
C-L-I-M-E.
Don't flatter yourself by assuming human arrogance can be...
Mila, do you know what Riza Maxia...
As if I wouldn't know? The power of spirits composes...
Right. The term spirit climb refers when that's why there are unusual spirit climb.
I see. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Oh, I see how...
Wow, that's an impressive amount of fruit.
I'm catching a whiff of cider. Oh, they must have orchards here.
Well, well, well. We don't get many visitors here.
Do you live here, ma'am?
I would hope so. I'm the mayor.
Is this the right road to Niakara?
Niakara. Now that's a name I haven't heard in ages.
What do you mean?
It's what people called a long-forgotten village. I don't even know if it still exists. I heard tales of the village as a child. People claimed it lies beyond the Kijara Sea Falls.
Where can we find it?
You'll need to cross some seriously rugged terrain to get there. It won't be an easy journey.
In that case, we should probably rest here before heading on.
Agreed.
I'm afraid our little village doesn't have an inn. Not much call for one. But I've an extra room in my house. You're welcome to use it if you like.
Thank you for your hospitality, ma'am.
So, why bother
Spirits are really just masses of mana. For a spirit to take physical form. As an example, the fire spirit of Freet can take form.
And as Maxwell, you can be...
The human body contains all...
What would happen if you lost...
I would gather elements to make a new one.
Grow up?
It's time-consuming. But if you want to use a human...
So even the Lord of...
Not in this human realm.
Let's just be grateful she didn't...
Wouldn't bother.
Oh.
That's not what I... Apple fruits. No wonder it smells so good around here. Wow, look how juicy they are.
Is that so?
They look like they're at the peak of ripeness. Sweet with just a hint of tartness.
That sounds interesting.
Mila, you're drooling really bad. Sounds like your body is awake.
Just keep those mitts off the
What are you looking at?
Nothing. Get lost.
Wrong answer, Squirt. Now we really want to know what you're looking at.
It's some sort of shiny object.
It's my shiny object. Finders keepers.
Looks like a puzzle. A difficult one at that.
How about this?
Whoa, what's happening?
This looks like our letters, but different. More like ancient writing.
Let's see here. Heed my words, for I am Ifrid, the intrepid explorer who has crossed the world's edge without fear. Yada yada yada, more self-promotion. Here we go. At last, I have reached Terra Incognita, but alas, I am unable to return home. I shall take my many treasures, seal them in arks, and scatter them about this land. It is my hope that they shall serve as beacons to those explorers who follow in my footsteps.
I'm impressed, Alvin.
But I still don't know what it means.
I've heard of this Ifrit. He's a legendary pirate. He raided cities all throughout Rize Maxia ages ago. He set off to find the end of the world and never returned. Or so the legend goes.
Nice of him to put his treasures in these boxes for us.
The pirate Ifrit's treasures? Oh, I want to find him too!
Maybe you should learn to read first, young man.
Yeah, good idea. You'll all wait for me, right? And keep this Ifrit treasure stuff between us.